Hello everybody, I am Shishri back with another live, and today we are going to set up some giveaways on Discord, or to be precise on my Discord server. And I have already made an announcement for this giveaway in which it's just a $10 Nitro. And in this thing in which people have to talk, and the top three guys will get $10 Nitro. And but yeah, the server is still dead, so that is kind of sad. But apart from that, let, let me just open my stream thing on my mobile so that I can read the chat. Well, of course, I can just open the chat on Studio, but not a fan of that, so I'm gonna just open the chat while the chat is active. Let's see what we have to do today. So, first of all, I need to start another event. Like right now, let me see. Right now, we have an event on Hacktoberfest. Let me just check GitHub real quick. GitHub Crazy Devs slash Hacktober 2022. So we have this thing, and the top person here will win a $10 Nitro. That is that. And also let me make a log. I am done with two, and one will be for Hacktoberfest, one will be for giveaway, the one in which we have to react, three are for chatting rewards, and one will be for work command. Now let me tell you what will be the work command thing. So I'm thinking to start another event in our let me just create a repository real quick. How do we make it? Let's So I will change the organization to Crazy Developers. The repository name will be Discord Workbot. Discord Workbot. And this is going to be a public repository because this time people will be able to actually, give code, contribute. Right? And the best contributor here will win a Nitro as well. So let me just set up some things. The description will be cool work working bot. A Discord bot with work advanced work command. All right, this sounds good to me. This sounds good. Let me just create this repository, and I will set up the README and stuff later on. I'm just making it so that I have this thing in my mind, and I will probably set it up on 21, not today, on 21 or maybe 22. But anyways, let's see. We have a viewer. Yo, what's up? And apart from that, today, what else I'm going to do? Well, let's see. I'm not going to code right now. Don't really want to code in the morning. Let me see. Five, six, seven, eight. I have two more left. Sorry, I have three more left to be precise. For those three, what I can do is probably I can start an invite event or something. That will be best. Let's see. Yeah, invite event will be the best thing. Well, I will make the announcements later. For now, let's see what else can we do. All right. For now, the next thing that I will like to do is actually edit a YouTube video because it's been long since I uploaded one. I'm not sure how much time, but yeah, it's been long for sure. And apart from that, let's see what I have to code. Um, I have to work on some. I remember I forked some repositories. I have to work on some of them at least. Logic by JavaScript. I think I already contributed in. What is this? Yep. Let me just delete this because I already contributed, and I don't think that I'm. Let's see. What do you guys think? Do we have any other logical questions for JavaScript? I don't really have one in my mind, but if you let me think about it. If I can think of, like two questions or something, then I will just make another pull request and then delete this. Or maybe should I just delete it? Let's delete it later on because this thing can be something fun to code. MS Prettify, it's my own thing. Let me just check the forks. Type forks. All right. So I'm going to ignore this for now. Axios, I think I will ignore it for now as well. What is this code snippets? I think I created a, yeah, I remember. I created a regex code and I'm going to do it. I don't really now. I already contributed and I don't have anything else in my mind right now, so I will just delete it. Maybe should I contribute something? Let's see. Can we build something right now? First of all, let me just sync the fork and get the things. All right. Now let's see what can we code. We have formula builder, integration, jobs. I can probably code some more regex codes. Let's see. Right now, I created that allow forward mobile, remove extra spaces. Well, yeah, it is something weird. Oh, well, I think can add something in that, but I don't really want to keep making pull requests for the same thing. So let's see what else can I code. Let's see, guys. What else can I code? Do we have something related to Discord here? Well, we don't really have anything here. Client scripts, fix scripts. Um, well. That's interesting. Well, I can make a Discord pagination in this. I'm 100% sure about that. Okay, let's see what is this. Fork it, create a new branch, name it according to what. I ignored that. Add, edit, or reorganize the code snippet, add it stuff. Submit the pull request. Pull request must have a title and stuff. Pull request should only have the file relevant. Okay, sir. File should not be XML imports of service now. That's it. A developer advocate or okay, follow this structure. All right. Top level folder. Beside the dot data folder are categories of snippets. Within each top level folder will be a subfolder. Each code. Each subfolder would file. Okay. All right. So I can make a category called Discord. I think I will not get banned for that. That is fine. And then what we can do is we can make some function. Prior to Tokyo release. Okay, that's just some interesting stuff. Class.js. Hey, that's interesting. Do we have something for inheritance? Well, I have a cool, funny thing in my mind. Do we? Okay, I think it's just JavaScript only. Is it JavaScript? Probably it is JavaScript only. Advanced conditions, group approval check. Yeah, it is JavaScript only, so let's ignore that. Let's ignore that idea. Well, what was I doing? I forgot. Let me just check this stream. I was about to do something, man. I forgot. And then what we can do is we can make some function. Yeah, I was about to do something about Discord pagination. Yeah, Discord pagination. I remember it now. Let me just skip it. Anyways, let's get back. And maybe I should decrease this quality. We don't really need. Oh, we cannot really decrease it. That is tragic. Anyways, so what I was going to do was Discord pagination. I think I should not do it. These guys are making some cool stuff, and I will be adding Discord shit. That's disrespectful, man. I will not do that. That is bad. Let's think about it. Do we have anything that I can do here? Client scripts. I think I can make something here in ECMA script. Um, up here. Let's see what is this. Now that service now supports JavaScript, faster. Have a bunch of examples. Let's see. All right. Readme.md open core.png. That JavaScript mode for of destructuring default parameter const.js. Default parameter for what are these? That's interesting. Do we have something for promises? Well. Guess what? I can make something related to promises. That will be something good to do. I don't know. The motto of the stream was to do some other stuff, but for some reason I'm starting to do Hacktoberfest stuff for some reason. I'm not sure why, but let's find out. Where are the projects? Distribution. Not this one. Not this one either. Hmm. Yes, sir, this is the one. Let me select the folder real quick, and then we can actually contribute in this thing once more. Oh, wait. Let's see. Okay. Better program different regular functions, structuring, template string, literals. Okay. What can I do, man? Number and dates. Text collection. Hey, man. Structured data. Well, I think I don't want to do it. Okay, yeah, we have promises. Do they have a generator? They don't have it. Maybe I can create that. Or maybe I can just make a promise. Let's see, guys. What should I do? What should I do? Okay, I guess I will just. What should I make in the promise then? First of all, get full origin. Perfect. Code is pulled. Now let's go to our EMCA script 2021, and then I can make a file called promise.js. All right. So now what is next? Well, I will need to see. Let's see what can I create in that. We can make a function called get data, and then we can make a function, a main function. Okay, let's try it. Async function get data, and then we can maybe add a parameter called ID, string data ID, a dummy promise based function. And then what we can actually do is we can just return a new promise. We can resolve or reject, and then we can do something stupid like um let me see, what can we do? um we can do like set timeout, and it can be a function. And also I have a great idea. We can add a random delay. Now there will be a random delay of 400 millisecond to 2 seconds. So let's see what will happen now. And then all right, so now I have another idea. If and dot includes id, then what we will do is we will just reject their opinion, and we are going to say maybe we can say this: error true, message data not found. And otherwise we can do this: we can add a else, and we can also add a resolve here, and error false. And for data we can just say something random real quick. ID will be id, of course, and then we can just give it a age or something. And age can be a random number, to be honest. Don't really have to worry much about it. Random number, maximum will be 100. 20, and let's see. That's age, and probably that's good enough. And now what we can do is we can actually make a function called main, async function called main function. I'm not. Let me see. I'm sorry. Let me see how other things works. Is destructuring the things? Okay. Here we have default parameters. That interesting. Then we have const. What is this? Okay. Arrow functions before and after. They don't have a before and after, current and previous. Not sure what is I trying to do. What is current? What is previous? This was actually available previously, but would display error to you. Oh, I see. They have to show before and after. I am not sure if that's how, if we can do it. Let's see. Promise in JavaScript promise before EMCA. I don't know what do we call that. ECMA script. Sorry, ECMA script. When did promises come to JavaScript? The current JavaScript promise is 6. Okay. Don't mind if I do. Okay, that seems fine now. All right. So let's see who invited. All right, I'm back. Well, let's see. Uh, yes. Okay. Interesting stuff, man. Oof. Prior to the Tokyo release, service now serves JavaScript ECA years ago. Thus, we have been missing out on some helpful functionality. Okay. Well, see the full documentation. Okay, well, I will just read the documentation and probably work on something which is new and which is not listed here. This is going to be something fun, probably. Um, Interesting. Let me see if promise any. What else do we have for promise? Also have promise. In ES12, all of this is disallowed. What the fuck? That, that's a good question. Let's see. I guess I should not bother that much. Delete my repo real quick and actually work on something which makes sense. I mean, like, which I will like to work on. Of trying to make some random request. What else do we? Digital check. Still working on that JS one. Do I still have a pull request? I think I already have a pull request. Let me see. They actually responded to the pull request. I tried. Yeah, I still have it. If there are no responses, well, I guess I will leave it like that for now. I also have to work on this JS thing. I just let me update the brand. I don't know what I should code. I have no idea right now. I can find out what to work on, to be honest. Then we have. Let me just actually type to fog because it is taking way too long to find the best thing. All right. Logic with JavaScript, logic. All programmer help. Let's see what's up with that. Robot temperature converter. I don't need. I don't need. All programmers help. Do I have a pull request here? Nope, I don't. It is Python based. No, we have Java and JavaScript as well. See what do we have in Java? Java. There it is. Okay. Okay, I have a good idea. I can make some. First of all, let me sync my fork. Let me just copy the damn URL and let's go here and do cd dot git clone dot slash 14 and then code dot slash 14. Now I will actually work on something good. I can make a Java thing here. I can make a function on inheritance. And as for the no temperature converter, this thing got rejected by the CZ lab, so I don't need to keep it. I will just delete the repo. Let me cv backspace here. We no longer have it. Now for the music board, I don't know why the hell I have it. I wanted to create a music board and I have no idea how it works. So I literally copied somebody's code and actually never worked on it because yeah, I'm lazy. So I'm going to delete that as well because we don't need it. So why even keep it? And then we have quick.ego. I was way too lazy to actually work on it. So yeah, that is that. Let me delete this quick.ego. And yeah. Now what else do we have? We have few more of these left. Logic by JavaScript. Oh, this is the common question thing. I will work on that as these two things. I'm not sure. Okay, I think this is the bot I made for somebody else. Ignore that. Anyways, let me just remove 13 folder 14. So in our Java thing, I will make something real quick. Let's see. I will call it inheritance.java. I made this program in my school some days ago. So I'm going to do that real quick. Let me just import the scanner because why not? It's a fun class. Okay, I have to do it manually. Code.java.use.scanner, and then we can have a class called inheritance. Sorry, no. We can have a class called shape. Okay, let's see how do we make a class. We have a class called shape. What do we do next? Let's see, guys. Well, we have a shape. What do we do? We can give some properties, like maybe area. Okay, area. It can be a number property. I don't remember how do we do area. It's a number. It's a decimal to be precise. So we can do a double. We have area. We have volume. I guess we can also have a name, string name. And now we can have a constructor called shape in which I can just ask them to give a name, the area, the volume, and bam. And I can just do area is equals to A, volume is equals to V, name is equal to N. Everything all settled. All right. Anyways, all of this. Now we have a class, the base class. I will call it the base class. Slash base class. And then we can actually start working on some other things. We can make shapes now. And how? Let me show you real quick. Let's see, we can make a circle. For that, we can just extend the shape class. And what I can do is, first of all, give it a new property called radius. I will make a radius as a double as well because it can be a decimal value, radius. After that, do we need anything else? No, we don't need anything else. So in our this thing, We can make something like something called. First of all, I will make a default constructor in which I will just do. That's a good question. Now let's put the scanner thing here as well. How do I do that? I need to give them the string and okay. Well, we can just ask for the radius in the constructor. And now what I can do is, first of all, I will need to do the super. Now I need to give them the name. Name can be circle. Then I need to give them the area. What is the area of circle? I think it's pi r square if I'm not wrong. Math dot pi into r square. Well, I will not bother much and I will just do r into r. And for volume, maybe I should not. It's a 2D structure. So let's do parameter instead. Parameter is equals to p. And the parameter of a circle is 2 pi r. 2 into pi in r. As you can see, super is done. Yeah, not done yet. Let's fix that. Perfect. So super is done, and I will just do radius is equals to r. And now we can make a function called display as well. Oh yes, sir. Display. And in that we can do system dot out dot println, and we can say something like, let's see. Maybe I should do shape plus slash n volume plus, sorry, not volume, it's parameter. Why the hell I keep forgetting? After parameter we have area. Okay, we have the shapes parameter and shapes area. Let me determine it as well. We don't have a formatter installed, that is quite bad. And apart from that, the base class is done. In our circle thing, we can actually do something else. We can show them all of this stuff, and we can also show them some circle of radius. All right, that seems perfect. And now I will just make another class in which I will not override the display function, because why not? So let me just copy it and paste it. And first of all, let's remove this and then replace this to square. Square is something easier, square. And instead of radius, we can just do side, and r doesn't matter. And for area of square, I don't know how that works. I don't know. What is the area of square? Side square? Yes. Let's just and for in 2s. Okay. Let me just verify. Area of square is equals to side square, and parameter will be 2s. I think area of square will be. It's taking way too long, man. Yep, a square, and then I can just do parameter of square. That is. Can you show me the formula, my man? 4a. Okay, let's great. So first of all, we have to give the what is the first thing? We have to give them the area first of all. For area, we can just do side square. Amazing. Then we need to do 4 into side. Perfect. Now that's it. Now we can just make a main class, and I will just call it class inheritance. Well, I can just make a public static void main function in one of these classes, but I don't do that because why not? I'm way too lazy. Well, I'm not just lazy. I just want to do it in a different class to be honest. Child class 1, 2. And in our main class, what we are going to do is we just need a public static void main, and I think I'm not going to get any suggestion. Public static void main, and then we can do string, and we can just give some random text, and we are way too close to actually make a inheritance based thing on Java. So let's do it a bit quickly. First of all, what I will do is, let's make a scanner so that we can get the user input is equals to scan brackets system dot in. Now what I have to do is, let's see, I will ask for input system dot out dot println, um input the circles radius, and then I will do double r is equals to sc dot next double, and I will just copy and paste that, put the squares side, and instead of double r this time it will be double s, and then we can just create our thing uh real quick. Let's see what I can do. First of all, we will need to make an instance of circle, so I will do circle c is equals to new circle. And what do we have to give? We just have to give the radius. That's r. That's pretty easy. And then we can make a square. square. That's how we do it. Yep, that's what we have to do. Then I can name it s, and here we can just do s as well. I will name it sq because we already have s. Then what I have to do is pretty simple. C dot display, and then sq dot display. Pretty easy. And now actually run this. Let's wait. All right. Let me right click, copy relative path, and then I can just do a simple thing, Java space, and paste the code, and bam. Well, it is for some reason loading. Not sure why, but let's find out. It's way too slow, probably because there is a lot of code in this file. Java space paste. What is this? Opening Java project check details. Why is it this slow? Right, enter. Now it should ask for a input. I'm waiting for it. This is way too slow, man. Visual Studio Code is dying. What is this? Oh yeah, sorry man. The return type is need void, void, and let's make it void here as well. Void, and let's run the code once more, and this should work fine. All right. Let's see if it is it. Uh, what is this thing, man? Later, don't do it. How can I stop it? Check details. What is this? Variable shape, location class. Oh, it's the variable name should be name, not shape. Okay, my bad. Variable name should be name, right? That's what I call it. Yes. How do I cancel this thing? I wish I knew that, but can't help it. Well, who cares? Okay, we have a message. I will check it out real quick. Meanwhile, you guys can look at my Visual Studio Code. Can you see it? Okay, you can see it now. Trust me. You guys can let me know if that thing is working. Meanwhile, I'm cats, and then let's get back to the live stream. Now you guys can look at the whole screen, and I will just check the. All right, now let's see what is can't find main function. We don't actually need it. Okay, all right, let me do this. Java C space. Wait a second. First of all, let me compile this thing. Let's see what will happen if we. Okay, it worked. And now what I have to do is Java space. What's the class name? Inheritance. I think I will need to go to that folder first of all. Yes, sir. Cannot find or load main class inheritance. Let's do this. I will do cd space this cd java cd inheritance. What? Oh, maybe it is a file name. Sorry, my bad. Now Java space inheritance might work. Yep. Input the circle's radius. Circle's radius. Let's see. 7. Square side 5. And let's see. Circle of radius 7. Parameter and area. And squares parameter and area. Well, parameter is it seems fine. I think fine. It's perfect. And I have an idea. Let's circle dot class. Let's delete these classes. Square dot class. Don't need these classes. Let's delete them. Alright. Let's take this inheritance to Java. Control plus exit. Go in our thing. Let's make a thing called inheritance. Inheritance. And paste it here. See to give anything else. And I will just add a note. Imports. Page down. Well, we don't need to do anything else. Okay, well, I will just make a pull request to it real quick. Okay, hit add dot, and we can just commit it and say inheritance with push origin main. I don't really remember the name, so I will just do origin to do the trick. Yes, it did. Give a message. Up. $50 million. That's some bots here. What bots? Okay. Well, if that will increase the server activity, then why not? I will love to try that. It might work. Anyways, let's see. Is this the one that I'm working on? Yes, this is the one that I'm working on. Pull request real quick. Uh, let's see. Inheritance in Java. A code example for inheritance in Java. Let's create a pull request real quick and we should be good. Yeah, we are good. Congrats, guys. Okay, let's see what to members were. All right, anyways, let's see. We have created a pull request, guys. Congrats. I was able to actually do something. Oh, sounds illegal. Anyways, what else can we do? I think everything else is perfect. Now I should actually work on something called video editing. Yeah, that kind of sucks and I kind of hate it. But I actually need to do that. Or maybe should I work on the work command? What do you guys say? Well, nobody's on the stream, so I cannot really ask somebody's opinion here. Can I? Nope, I cannot. So let's see. I will need to think myself, or maybe I will just create a poll by chance somebody joins. What to do? Help. And then the first option can be like, the first option will be, I don't know what will be the first option. Work command E. And second option will be video editing. Ask the community and let's see, give a message on and see what can we do. All right. I'm still not 100% sure. Well, let's see. I'm not sure what else can I. Well, I think the video editing is the best thing I can do right now because I also need to upload a video anyways. So let's see what is this on bot. Let's invite it because why not? Okay, I've been invited anyways because why not, man? Why not? Well, Pokemon bot and I can just search crazy dev and then I can just invite the bot too. And I have to make sure that people cannot use it on this part. Oh man, H captcha, it sucks. Please click an image containing a glass. Quite hard. Next. And now we have to do it twice. That is the worst part. They have increased the difficulty for some yet unknown reason. I don't know why they will do that. Jab tak. Oh, all right. Get active members when? Let's see. Permission. Let me reject the permission of sending messages of this Pokemon bot. On bot, they should not be able to send messages because no, you're not allowed. Uh, hmm, interesting. Maybe I should remove the permissions here as well because I don't want the bot to. Okay, let me just set up the bot real quick. Let's see what are the commands. And apart from that, this thing should be there. So let's see. We have to do slash and let's see the Pokemon. What? There it is. The fuck? What the fuck is wrong with Discord? Set time, set image, select prefix, slash help. Let's get some help real quick. Oh, you sent me a DM. Amazing. This getting started. Looking for something else? Yes. Okay, let me do slash start. No, I don't want to do slash start. Top settings. Yeah, I want to see the settings. Okay, slash help. And then I will choose 5. Will it open the settings? Oh my god, it did. Redirect the response to a different channel. Okay. Enable or disable level up message in the current server. Level up. Okay, I will look into the level up. Let me go back to the settings and then let's do it. First of all, redirect enable and the channels will be where is it? This channel is perfect for now, at least. And after a Pokemon will be right now perfect. And then for the level up setting thing, we will option enable all disable level up message. Maybe I will type disable. What will happen? Please select one of these. Okay, level up message. Level up mess. How do I do that? Message disable. Congrats guys, we did it. Alright, make a separate channel for this, bro. Alright, seems perfect. Now we have that bot. Let's see, we have 0 votes yet. Now you go get member. Anyways, what will I do next? I have no idea. Oh, channel where. Anyways, let's see. Okay, he is not from there. What can I do? Let's go to AK official. Let me ask some person. Oh, he is still alive. But okay, well, let's leave it. I should be doing these things. Okay. We have a lot of NSFW. Let's eat NSFW memes. I don't like way too many channels. Oh shit, why did I deleted it? Well, it's too late. I shouldn't have deleted it, but too late. Let's copy the name and let's make a channel called Pokemon. And we can just have a rat here or something. That seems perfect. And create a channel and let me just. Where is the channel? There it is. Let's paste it there. And now I will just set up the redirect. Slash redirect enable and then the channel will be equal Pokemon. All right, perfect. And that's it. Congratulations. Two. All right. Now make server active. Well, guys, we are successfully done with two things today. First of all, I invited a bot called Pokemon Bot, and we actually created a pull request in all programmer help thing. And apart from that, now the third thing that I'm going to do is actually edit the video. And apart from that as well, I also have to set up another thing called Crazy Devs. Where is it? Hacktoberfest, because I have to wait. This event is already set up. Yeah, the pricing and everything is written on the GitHub. I think I should do something so that I can actually promote or show this giveaway event, because like almost nobody knows that there is a event on this server. So I have to do something so that people know that they can get a reward here. But how do I actually do that? I have no damn idea. Of course, I don't know how to do that. Well, it is going to be a bit harder. Well, do you guys have any suggestion on how to actually do that? Members, talk. Well, yeah, I guess. Anyways, one, two, three, four, five. Sorry, one, two, three, four, five, six, eight. It's gone in like 8 messages last time. Yes. Oh, interesting. Okay, well, hey, yo. What's up? All right, we have somebody online now. Oh, okay. We gotta get some people to talk somehow. Not sure how I will do that, but I think I have to do it somehow. Well, this is going to be a bit hard, and I think I should actually start working on the code. But Ishwi, how's it going? How's your idea? The one of sharing code snippets. Code snippets. Well, this guy is probably going to work on something cool in which you will be able to share your small code snippets. Anyways, let me mute this thing because we don't really want it. And next, Inuyasha. Well, this is a lovely bot. It have quite a lot of cool things. Nobody uses it now, sadly, because of me being not good enough, sadly. But yeah, let's see if I have something in my inventory, because why not? Yeah, we do have some stuff. I have quite some stuff, I will say. Uh, well, anyways, can another Pokemon spawn if nobody catches this one? Cause it's been lot of messages and no spawn yet. Alright. Yes, working on the canvas thing. CSS bro, but what should we name it? Oh, well, not got the names. And one more thing, does the package node dash fetch works? Yeah, I think, but maybe use Axios, or I think that's what we call it. Let me just Google it. Sorry, npmi. Okay, Unity C. All right. Okay, let's remove that. Anyways, what? Okay, we have a pull request. Did I check it? Okay, this guy have to make some changes. Oh, we have somebody who voted on work command event. Crazy codes. That sounds lol. Oh, fight. Nice. Cool. Well, that's perfect because they can spawn. I'm not sure if it is a good attraction. Okay, okay, okay. Well, let's see. What do we have in name of attractions? We have Hacktober event, we have messaging events, we have Pokemon bot, we have coding help. That's all we have right now. Like if legend respawns. Okay. and no one is able to catch, bruh. Sad, sad indeed, man. Yes, I use access of fetch to IT data from it works better. Yes, sir. Well, I never actually use node fetch much. I just use it once or twice, so I'm not really. I don't know much about that. Anyways, let's see what's up with Twitter because why not? Okay, slash set prefix to dot because why not? Just confirm it. All right, perfect. And let's get back to the journal. Yes, I will make it open source once completed. Hmm. What about you start it as open source? Might get some contributors and maybe make some Reddit posts or stuff like that. That should be beneficial, I think. It can help you get some viewers. All right. Hmm. I think I will start editing now. It's been long since I'm doing bullshit.
But it works. So now how do we paste something to the clipboard? Copy something to clipboard.
And let me just remove some spaces because they're not needed. We don't need breaks.
Something.
Let's remove this and let's add it here and then here and here and then here and then um here. All right, perfect. Let's start deleting these things because they are unnecessary for me. And let's hear it once more.
Copy something to clipboard. This
Well,
is so sick. Yes.
all right, let's see. Tell me if you want pics. Get members. All right, we have got some stuff. Okay.
This is so sick. Yes, man. Just let me just do this thing. I have something in my mind. Copy text. Yep, it did. All right. On click my function. What is my function? Copy text. I have my text. Copy text dot select. Select the text field. Copy text dot select selection for mobile devices. Okay. Navigator dot clipboard dot write text. Okay. Well, I'm not copying something, man. Well, I'm not copying something, man. Come on, I don't copy paste code. That is
Yeah, I will keep this part because why not? Sarcasm is fun. You want the uptimer thing? It's far easier than a just do Excel or Note fetch. True. Well, they can do that. Should I make a uptimer website? Wanna make a project? Uptimer website. Congrats, guys. We actually might make a devlog pretty soon. Well, I'm already working on this. Perfect. React TS or JS. Sounds good. All right, guys, congrats, man. We actually have a new project idea. Well, it is not going to be profitable, I'm 100% sure about that, but it is going to be something. It is going to be a website, it is going to work. Congrats, man. Let's see what is going to happen. Sounds good. So, I'm good with JS, don't know TS very well. Okay, front end equals to React JS. No, well, never, don't really use EJS. Uh, and for backend we can use express slash fastify. Mm, maybe. Well, let's do React and leave that stuff to me. Stuff to me. You can do the CSS there because I'm fine with doing the front end and I'm fine with doing the back end. The only thing that I cannot do in front end is actually the literal design because I'm not really a good designer and I will be honest, it sucks. What website chalegi? Let's make both. Why not, man? We can make both. Bot can detect bot spam. Why you PCB give your me not smart enough for maths? But okay, let's see. Yes, sir. Let's see. Let's find out. So we will actually make a uptimer bot and a website, same but can pass. All right. Well, anyways, I think we are going to make something cool with Sunshine, and I think his name is Jatin. I forgot. Um. Oh yes, yes. With the qualification. Damn. Or what? But anyways, I think the chat is going on the wrong direction. Anyways. Oh, okay. XD. Um. By the way, your name is Jatin. I forgot. Oh shit, man. I can't even spell names properly, man. What the fuck? All toppers here, man. Anyways, I think I have to do way too many things right now. Uh, Railway ban my IP address by hosting. Lol. Interesting. Let's
I
edit
don't
this
copy
video.
paste thing, man. Come on, I don't copy paste code. That is not good.
Anyways, let me just remove this blank space or something. Well, I don't really know why I take way too many breaks in my like I just took a break right now. Maybe I'm not good with speaking. I think I should improve my speaking skills somehow. All right. Um, thanks, bro.
Not good. And we should never copy paste code, man. You guys know it, right? Come on. You all know it, right?
And let's remove the breaks. I'm not sure if I should actually keep this come on, you all know it part, but nobody is rejecting my opinion, so I will keep it. If you guys have an opinion, don't keep it to yourself. Oh shit. Uh, what did I just did? Help. I lost the part where I was editing. Must be somewhere around here. Yes. See.
We should never copy.
Yeah, we should never copy paste code, man. It is so bad. Do you guys copy paste code? Damn, that is quite. All right. I'ma go make repo repository on Crazy Devs and make it public as well. Uh, well, I think it is free on Vercel. I think we can use Vercel for free. Interesting.
Right? Come on. You all know it.
And remove let's remove this part because I mean like let's see what else do we need to add.
And I
Okay.
never copy paste code. That is something totally understandable. New URL, and let me just create a variable called const new URL is
I
what we
think we
will
don't need to keep anything more in this part, and I think I should just
have.
jump to
Let me write.
something else.
We write text. We need this part, and here I'm just
Let's remove it. Remove. We don't need it. We don't need this. We don't need this.
and wish
Uh,
birthday wish URL copy, and let's save. Okay, well, it almost worked. Cannot connect to the. Okay, it copied this.
let's go to the part in which I will shift. Okay, let's see. Yeah, not like guys, it wanted dashboard next. Well, to be honest, there might be people willing to pay 200 and some who wanna pay $2. So it kinda depends on whom you are working with.
URL. Well, overall, the URL works when we will actually have this thing even better.
All
And
right.
yeah,
Well, guys, now what the next thing I have to do is okay. Sorry, I'm just confusing myself. Maybe I should have make a to-do list. Right click new text document dash to do because I already have a to do. So what I have to do is first of all work Hacktoberfest, and then we have to do what is it? Uptimer bot and website, and then what I have to do is devlog on birthday site, comma this thing, this thing, and birthday site. Perfect. Edit videos. These are some things that I have to do real quick. Let's see. I can do suggest man. Well, yeah, I think most of the channels are private. Probably this is private. Team is private. This is private. Voice chats, they are public. Others, half of them are visible. General zone is visible. Well, it has quite a lot of stuff, I will say. Hmm. Eh, just tank memer sounds good. Oh man, he don't know that NSFW still exists. Well, let me just invite Dank Memer because Dank Memer it's a good bot. I used to use it long ago, but it's been long since I used Dank Memer. But let's see. Invite now, yes sir. We can invite it to Crazy Dev because I need it there, of course. Pretty simple. Uh, why it's not visible to me? Get the role. Well, alright. Let me see. What do I need to? Oh man, I am a human. Well, it's quite hard. Oh well, it worked at once. Damn. Beautiful. Anyways, let me just take the permissions of Dank Memer here because Dank Memer, you should not send me any message very much. Um let's just remove permissions here as well. Because I remember long time ago the ignore command and stuff of the Dank Memer were not working properly, so I think oh suggestion is a different thing. Stop using it here. He having but can see. Let me check. Do he have the NSFW role? Yes, he do have it. Go to NSFW settings, permission, NSFW. NSFW can see it, then what is wrong? At the rate admin cannot see it, but NSFW can see it, moderator can admin can see it. That's weird. That's weird. Also hashtag bots. TLS disable Rob. Let's do it real quick. Oh, sorry. Rob, sorry. I have to do disable use channel, remove a disable use rule, disable use command. How do I disable a command? I have no damn idea. Let's find out. We have disable user. We have disable use for whole server. And we can disable a channel. We can disable a list. List all disable use rules. Okay. We can disable use remove. How do I disable a command? Let's do slash rob. That's hard. Let's see what's wrong here. We have a new update. Don't really care about that. How do we disable? How to disable? Slash disable user server. Disable list channel remove role server. I have no idea now. Oh, disable the use for the whole server. Here I can type rob, robber, anti-rob, robber mask, box, robber mask, anti-rob pack, robber wish list. That's interesting. I am winning. Well, anyways, let me just mention Vishnu. How to disable Rob? Well, because I have no idea how to disable Rob, I will want no. I will. I know. Okay, slash passive disable the slash Rob for everyone like TLS disable Rob DISABLE. Okay, interestingly weird. I'm not sure what to do next. So okay, we have a repository called bot public. Anyways, let me just see all the public things. Public. Got bot and Hacktober, alright. Hacktober have Python now, okay. Well, after that, the third thing that we will be doing is uptimer front end and back end. Oh, okay, slash disable. I cannot see it. No idea. Let's go on slash settings of the server instead. Drop protection enable. Prevent members who joined within last day from robbing. Random events robbing. Disable robbing. Yes, there we go. Disabled. And what else do we have? We can disable the bank robbing as well. This setting thing is cool. Done. Thanks. Alright. Now nobody can rob, I think. Let's try to rob now. Let's see if it works. Alright. Perfect. Well, congrats everybody. We are done with bots. Done with bots. Go get members. Alright. Now we are done with the bots. We have to get the members. And for let's see, so yep, he is in here. Perfect. If a promotions thing, let's see. Oh no, I know what is that. That is a meme website. You guys can probably check it, probably not. I'm not sure. It's your choice. I have no comments on that. Anyways, mm, I doubt if you should check that thing. I think you should not. Alright, perfect. Meanwhile, I will just finish some things.
Yeah, it works, my friends. It works. Let me just try to host this on glitch.com. Just let me just try to host this.
Let's keep this part.
Let me just try to host this on glitch.com just for surety. And by the way, let me do the CSS first. My bad. Let me do the CSS first. I forgot to do CSS, man. It looks trash right now. It looks trash. It looks trash right now.
And then I will let it terminate. And now we can do some
So I
CSS.
load CSS. The background is perfect.
Now you know what I'm going to do. Uh,
So we have a versatile.css. The background is perfect, my friend.
I will just decrease the volume first for now, and then I will increase the speed to maybe like, I don't know, 20 times. I think I should have done 50 times, to be honest. That's a lot of CSS. Even in 20x, it is like quite slow. So let's x perfect. Uh, let's split it. Okay, so now we have quite a big thing. This thing is quite big. I have to make it smaller. Mm, okay, not that language. Alright, that guy got a bit more serious. And let's just keep this part and probably I will edit some. Let's see. And let's delete some of it because we don't actually need all of it. Way too big to actually show everything. And then let's remove. Let's delete this and make this thing like 20 times. Let's keep it. Let's remove it. This. For this part, let's make it normal speed once normal and we can get the sound back.
We have something. Let me just try to new project glitch hello back. New
That. Congrats guys, we have a amazing code time lapse. Let me show you. It is of like one from 53 to like it's like 8 seconds, 8 or 9 seconds. What else do we have? New PFP ban only for you. Holy shit. Server don't wanna it but uh gaming server, let's say, invite DM or promotion. Well, now, first of all, guys, we need a time. We have a time lapse, so we need music. I'm gonna go on MP3. Let's choose some art. Okay, and let's see if it is going to work. Maybe I will delete this part and bam, put it here, delete it from there, delete this, decrease the volume to like that, and let's now. And now the CSS part of the code timelapse will be fine because you also have MP3 behind it, and then we can just adjust the other part. I will just look into it.
New project glitch.
All right, this seems fine. That seems pretty good. We have a message request. Let me join this thing real quick. Now we have the access. We have welcome. We have invites. We have feedbacks. Announce. Uh, I don't really think this server have anything extra. Well, first of all, let me just mute the thing. Why I cannot click it? Server seems like mine, except channel names. Without roles, channel you can text. Let's go to roles. Where are the cells? PokeTube. Get all of the roles. I don't need like my. Let's see. Do we have some extra role channels now? We have some bot commands channel. And what's this QR code? I don't know. I have no idea. And then we have some Pokemon sections. Okay, Pokemon section. Well, I don't think I will be doing that much work on Pokemon section. I totally get that. We are not going to do the gyms. We're not going to do the Pokemons. But we can actually make a game zone or maybe a bot zone. I think I will make a bot zone. That sounds fine to me. Let's see. Bot zone will be fine. Yeah, you are right. I think I should create a bot zone that will be better.
Hello website. Indeed. Check glitch. Hello website. Indeed. Indeed. Anyways, let me just create a new github.com/new. Anyways, let me just create a new github.com/new, and I'm gonna call it birthday site. Birthday site.
I think I can just ignore all of that.
It in it. I have just post this thing here real quick. Import/export. Import from GitHub. Paste. Enter. Will it work? Yes, it did work. Okay, guys, let's copy the link. Let's go on the URL.
Now we are going to see a bug, so I will
If
just
I
skip
type
it a bit.
magicals and click on wish, hex. Oh, the copy paste part is
All right, let's see what I can. edit out.
Okay, guys, let's copy the link.
Let's remove the part,
Okay, guys, let's copy the link.
copy the link.
Let's go on the URL.
Now let's remove this, delete,
If I type magicals
and remove all of that.
and click on wish,
Let's see, and let's remove this, boom,
hacks.
and let's remove this. Now we can
Okay, so far
ignore
this
this.
my index dot location dot path real quick on log this
Let's remove all of this, all of this, all of this,
load the
all of
website,
this,
my friend.
all
Let's
of
go
this,
strong
all of this.
fixed. So guys, that's what I wanted to make.
Now I think we can just give them the conclusion. Let's get back to the crazy dev thing. Revive Beatrix DJS 14. Probably. Maybe make a poll in the support server.
So guys, that's what I wanted to make for
And let's remove these breaks, man. They suck a lot.
for this thing. We are not done. I will make more contributions. Sir, where are you from? Bro, I am from India. What's up? How are you?
Okay, well, I'm not giving a good conclusion.
Make for this thing.
And let's just terminate it here. Let's see what.
What's up? How are you? Preview in a new window. Be honest, but alright. Well, this thing looks a bit empty to be honest, but maybe we can add something like birthday site, or maybe we can say something like, well,
Idea.
this thing looks a bit empty to be honest, but
And then I can just skip to the part in which I
here,
already edited it.
paste it. I'm also from India. Yo, cool. Interesting. Well, I never actually made it responsive. Sir, I'm also from. Well, I never. People are from India now. Well, yeah, cool. What's up, man? What are you doing nowadays? Alright, and anyways, let me try to adjust some stuff. Let's try to decrease the width. Okay, .css. Where is my h1? Where is the height? And in our height thing, we can just do auto and reload. Congrats, guys. The website.
And now this is the part that I keep.
Congrats, guys. The website works.
Let's add a terminate here as well.
But can you guys suggest me what I should say here? Wish somebody a birthday. It doesn't. Is it good? Maybe it is fine. It is. It is fine. Come on, it's fine. What should I say though? And by the way, what is this error? Cannot. I think it is a issue in our index.html thing. It must be some. Cares. The main thing is, what should I say here, man? Wish somebody a. Let me just
Hmm.
go on my index.html. It go on our index.html. This thing. Sorry. Alright. Paste. And then style.css, copy it and go in our style.css and so now bye bro, alright buddy. And happy birthday once more and enjoy your day, man. Eat some stuff because I forgot to do my breakfast and yeah, stuff.
And yeah, the story is same today as well. I
And
forgot to do my.
anyways, we have a message here. Alright. Main thing is what and by the way, what works? But can you guys suggest? Alright. So now, sir, math will be coding or at least some feeling words fine with this UI. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye. And I will just close everything before I end the stream.
And now what I'm going to do is I will actually add a voiceover at the end. Uh, all right. So now let's add a voice, make a voiceover. Let's see what will I say in the end. I can say, uh, thanks a lot for watching, and then I can just promote this event. Oh my God, I have got a brain. Holy shit. Let's do it. Well, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Also, we have quite a lot of giveaways. You can join that. First of all, we have this $10 Nitro giveaway, which you can join just by clicking it. And apart from that, the top three users with highest activity in this week will get a Nitro as well. So feel free to join. And we also have some Hacktoberfest events. Check out the GitHub. Thanks a lot for watching. All right. Now let's just add the screen recording real quick that I just recorded, and then our video should be fine. I can just delete this. I can just add it here, and I can increase the voice, not that much maybe. And let's remove this and increase the voice a bit more,
Well, thanks a lot for watching, guys.
and it
Also,
should be
we have
fine
quite a
now.
lot of giveaways. You can join that. First of all, we have this $10 Nitro giveaway.
Let's delete this.
Join that. First of all, we have this $10 Nitro giveaway, which you can join just by clicking it. That first of all, we have this $10 Nitro giveaway, which you can join just by clicking it. And apart from
Let's remove that part because I cannot understand what the fuck I just said.
And apart from that, the top three users with highest activity in this week will get a Nitro as well. We
Delete.
will get a Nitro as well.
And
So feel free to join and we also have some Hacktoberfest events. Check out the GitHub. Thanks a lot for watching.
delete that. Remove these. Now I will also need to get an invite link that I have here. Let's go here. Yes, sir. Anyways, let's add some text real quick. The outro. We need to add a title, or to be honest, it is just simple text. That's just a fancy name for it. It is taking way too long to load. That kind of sucks. No, I have a better idea. Let's delete it. We can add a lower third, something here. We can just type that. Okay, this one is not good enough. Let's find somebody. And maybe we can remove that part so that it actually fit. That's, and in our your text, I can Discord invite.
Well, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Also, we have quite a lot of giveaways. You can join that. First of all, we have this $10 Nitro giveaway. And apart from that, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Also, we have quite a lot of giveaways. You can join that. First of all, we have this $10 Nitro giveaway. And apart from that, the top three users with highest activity in this week.
And maybe I should change the position and remove that. Of a lower third, it will be a upper third, I guess. It's quite annoying. Put it there. Then we can take this. Yeah, well, this seems fine. I think we've actually edited the video, but just to make it better, I will add some more sound effects. Let's get some real quick. We have a message, another one. There. Oh god. All right, let me get some. MP3 soft. We can add. This might work. Let's try it. No, this is way too technological related thing. Even though I'm actually doing a video on technology, I still don't want it there. So let's see what else do we have. We can use this relax and sleep. Sounds good.
Let's see if I can quote something for your birthday. Let's see if I can quote something for your birthday. In this video,
And now I'm going to increase the volume of go back here.
let's find out. It's our website. Maybe we can have some balloons. We have an emoji for that. And maybe a cake. We need a birthday cake. I'm not really good with images. I'm gonna just take this one. It's a chocolate cake and it says happy birthday. And I think that's what we need, right?
Then
Alright. Alright, this image is way too much for me to edit. Let's find a better one. This one is sick. Well, this pink one. So first of all, happy birthday. We have to make this thing, guys. Style.css, link CSS file in HTML. Because I don't know how to do that. Lots and lots of coding later. Hacks. Alright, this part is actually a bit broken, but it works. Lots.
let's add some different music for this part. That will be what else can we add here? This will be good. All of this. Let's hear it out.
And lots and lots of coding later. Hacks. I don't know how to do that. Lots and lots of coding later. Hacks. Alright, this part is actually a bit broken, but it works. So now, how do we paste something to the clipboard? Copy something to clipboard. I'm not copying something, man. Come on, I don't copy paste code. That is not good. And we should never copy paste code, man. You guys know it, right? Come on. You all know it. It looks trash right now.
Then I can of course put
New project, glitch hello website. Okay guys, let's copy the link. If I type magical, click on wish hacks. So guys, do a well.
and now let's add a different music at the very end as well because end can have something better or something different that will give it a better look.
Thanks a lot for watching guys.
Hmm. And first of all, let me decrease the voice.
Also, we have quite a lot of giveaways. You guys join that. First of all, we have this $10 Nitro giveaway. And apart from that, the top 3 users with highest watching.
And let's just Control plus V and delete. Maybe decrease this a bit. And finally, guys, we finally edited the video. Birthday site. Birthday site vlog. If it was a bit more smaller, we could have made a short out of it. Interesting, isn't it? Well, I have an idea for the short as well. Well, I think I will do my breakfast now. Well, thanks a lot for watching. And I'm glad I was able to do the stream today.